guys, welcome to the channel for all things metal roofing. I'm your host Audrey, and on this channel we talk to homeowners who switched to metal roofs. We also visit live metal roofing installation sites, and we give you tips and tricks for all things about your metal roof. So if you like that kind of content, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and tune in. All right guys, so today we're in Williamston, North Carolina, and we're speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing, Mr. Atkins. How are you doing today?
Doing well. How are you doing?
I am doing great. So Mr. Atkins, you recently purchased a Gator Metal roof.
That's right.
What made you want to get a metal roof?
Well, I had asphalt for 35 years, and it was getting bad. And everybody that I know that had gotten roofs recently had gotten metal roofs. So I looked at both and looked at the pros and cons, and I just might as well go ahead and get a metal roof.
Yeah.
That was my idea.
You had shingles for a while. Were you having any issues with them?
Every time I had a storm, I had to put a few back in, had to have somebody come out and do that, or I'd do it myself.
Yeah.
So it was a lot of work.
Yeah.
And especially once they start getting a little bit of age on them. I redid my roof twice over the years.
Yeah. So you had 2 shingle roofs, and this time you were ready for something a little bit longer lasting.
Yes.
So have you always wanted a metal roof, or did you?
Since the last time I put shingle roofs on, yes.
Yeah.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah.
It was really hard to do. I did most of the work myself, but it was really hard.
When it came time to doing a metal roof, why didn't you do it yourself?
That was, I wanted it done right, to be honest.
Okay, yeah, so you called it.
And the young man that came and talked to me, he said that this thing has a lifetime warranty.
Yeah.
I think the warranty is passed on. You could pass it on.
Yes, it's transferable.
So that was the biggest thing for me.
Yeah.
With the transferable warranty.
Yeah. Awesome. So how did you hear about Gator Metal Roofing?
On the internet, actually. I was just Googling one day for roofing contractors near me.
Yeah.
And you guys popped up, one of the first ones.
Awesome. Did you check out any of our reviews or testimonials?
Yes, I did. I did go on and look at your website and all that and checked out things.
Yeah.
And then a couple days later, a young man called me, and that was it.
Awesome.
Decided to get your roof.
And so when someone came to your home to tell you all about a Gator Metal roof, aside from the lifetime warranty, did anything else stick out to you?
The quality. He showed me, pictures of other stuff he did, and I thought it was a good job. I said that looks right.
Yeah.
That's the way I would like to have it done. And the guys showed up. They were done in a couple days.
Awesome. Now you chose a bright red Gator Metal roof. Why did you choose that color?
Just like red.
Looks really good. It looks really good, yeah. And our colors are fade proof as well.
Yes, that's been up there, a year and a half already, so.
Yeah. Have you noticed any differences when storms come?
Like I said, last week we had a storm come through, 70-mile-an-hour winds. Wasn't a problem.
Awesome.
Didn't hear nothing creaking and cracking, nothing like that. I was worried about, a heavy wind getting under it, but nothing came up, no creaking, no noises.
Oh, that is
Everything
awesome.
was fine.
Yes, our roof actually has a wind resistant rate of 140 miles per hour.
And it held up with the ice and all that we had recently as well.
Oh, definitely, yes. So with that being said, when the crew came out to put on your Gator Metal roof, how did that experience go?
Went well. I was working most of the time, so the guys would call me and let me know when they were coming. They called and let me know when they were leaving. I think I seen them twice the whole time, and they were out here working.
Yeah.
So I was out doing my normal job, and they came and did the work, cleaned up after themselves, and everything was fine.
About how long did it take?
I think 3 days.
Wow.
I think 4 days, something like that.
Yeah. Awesome. I'm glad you've had such a great experience.
It was awesome.
So we know that you paid in cash. Do you feel like you got a great deal?
Yes, it was all right. I think it was worth the money that I paid for it.
Yeah. Did you get other quotes?
Other people, yes. I had other guys. I had some folks locally come by, and they were not as much as y'all, most of them.
Yeah.
But the quality of the work was not as good. That's why I decided to go with that.
Yeah. Well, we're glad that you decided to go with it.
I'd rather pay a little bit more and not have to worry about it again.
Absolutely. Yes. What have your neighbors and family said about your roof?
They liked it. Everybody had seen it liked it. My neighbor really liked it.
Yeah.
He asked me who did it. I told him.
Yeah.
So I had told people who done it. I recommend y'all to everybody that asks me about a roof.
Awesome.
And I tell everybody, I say, look, if you want quality work, these guys will do it.
Awesome. Well, I'm glad that you love your roof.
It came out great. I think it did anyhow.
Mm-hmm.
That porch was in terrible shape, the roof of it was, and they came out and they replaced the wood on it.
Yeah.
The top part of it anyway. And they got that part right for me. So I did appreciate that.
Awesome.
I was, like I said, I'm getting ready to retire.
Yeah. Means a lot.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time.
So thank you.